Good morning, friend. Today I am going to tell a topic about a soil. About a soil. My name is Anish Kumar, class 7, school Holy Cross School. Soil. Soil is a medium. Plant needs soil medium to grow, and the soil is only natural medium. And only ma'am
बोलो बोलो कोई बात नहीं डोंट
natural medium. Plant need medium, and animal need plant to survive. So soil is called natural. So soil is called life supporting medium. How soil form? Soil is in the early medieval time. The rocks are broken down into many pieces. It take many thousands of years to form, and this process is called weathering. Humus is present in the top layer of soil, which is the decomposed of animal and plant are called humus. Soil profile. There are four soil profile: horizontal O, horizontal A, horizontal B, and horizontal C. Horizontal O is the where the plant and horizon O where the plants grow, and there are many humus are present. And horizontal A, here the water of land is present. Here also many humus are present, and the root of plant goes to horizon A and get water. Horizontal B, it is hard and the darkest. It is the big plant or a large tree or roots also go to horizon B to receive more water. Horizontal C, it is the last layer of the soil profile. It is made of rocks. It has also one layer that is called bedrock. Soil erosion.
Okay, that's not your topic.
No मैं वो आता है मैम soil में.
ठीक है, continue.
The removing of soil from the uppermost layer of soil by the action of wind or water, it is called soil erosion. It is done by overgrazing and deforestation. Overgrazing. When the many herbivorous animal eat the plant which are present in soil, and they lose the soil, and through which the soil easily eroded. Deforestation. The plant the cutting of tree in large amount is called deforestation. It also makes the soil loose and deforestation. Soil cultivation, conservation, afforestation, step farming, making of dam and embankment, define step farming. In the hilly area, the people do step farming through which the soil pollution is the soil cultivation is not possible. Afforestation. If we plant more and more trees, then the root of plant hold the soil and it do not allow to erode it. As of soil. There are many things which are present in soil, such as humus and many microbes homes. It also have inorganism things such as sulfur, potassium. Inorganic things such as sulfur, potassium, phosphorus, etc. Soil pollution. Soil pollution is done by many things. मैम सॉइल था मैम वही बोल तो सॉइल क्वेश्चन की सॉइल पोल्यूशन का ही पूछा है क्वेश्चन we should reduce of using much fertilizer, and we should not dump solid waste in the farming area. How we can protect soil pollution? We should not dump non-biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable things, and we should stop using of much fertilizer. Types of soil. There are
okay. I think you can stop now.
No, okay, ma'am. Mainly there are 3 types of soil. Sandy.
Just speak the name of types. That's all. It's already going above. Okay.
It contains 70 to 80% of soil, sand, and it is not suitable to grow plant. Soil, loamy soil. It contains humus and it
47 seconds
and it is very fertilizer, and it is very fertile. Clayey soil. It has 60 to 70% of soil clay, and it is also not suitable for plant. The various types of soil which are found in India: black soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, red soil,
alluvial soil,
laterite soil.